Hey, this is Mike Johnston, and today I wanted to show you how to update your new website. And I'm assuming you're one of those people, and there are quite a few of you, who have decided not to take advantage of our site management services on a monthly basis and are doing the DIY thing and hoping to be able to update and contribute content to your site yourself. So if that's the case, let's look here. And now this is after you've logged into your site, and I've already showed you how to do that. I've given you your password, your username. You can log into the site. So you log into the site. This is probably what you will see. You come in, here is the dashboard, and this is a website of mine that's devoted to indie film and music and basically indie entertainment and information. And then you come up here, and right up here you can see all of the updates are listed right here. So if you click on updates, you will be taken over here. Okay, and first off at the top here you see it says you have the latest version of WordPress installed. Future security updates will be applied automatically. And if you need to reinstall WordPress, you can do here. Usually you won't have to do that. There are various things that can happen, and we will have to talk about fixes at a later date. But for now, let's just worry about basically doing a normal update without encountering any problems. So you've logged into the site, you've gone to the updates link. You see you have 5 things showing up to update. And then here are your plugins. These are plugins that are associated with your site and are probably active on your site, so you will want them to have their latest version. And then down here is themes. I don't usually leave any extra theme except maybe the current WordPress theme if we're using a theme other than a WordPress theme, which I usually do. In this case, we're using Weaver Extreme, so the theme would like to be updated and these plugins would like to be updated. If you want to be as safe as you possibly can and try to not have everything or anything conflict with anything else, you would probably want to update one thing at a time and then make sure that nothing goes wrong. Now, I've started doing some remodeling work on the Indie Channel website, and I haven't finished it yet. So right now it's pretty strange and bad looking, but it's not a top level priority for me right now. Although I do want to do it though. I do want to do it. I started this as a web to TV channel way back before, right when web to TV was just starting to come into the realm of possibility. And so originally it had a big video player there, and it would play a day's worth of videos, streamed videos from YouTube or Vimeo or a combination of those. Yes, anyway. So we'll go back over here. So usually you don't want to just click everything all at once and update it, because sometimes that's the easiest way to create a conflict. So sometimes it's better to just either pick themes or plugins. We'll pick the theme and we'll update that. And then you can see the progress while it's updating. And here we go, all updates have been completed. Okay, it updated successfully. Alrighty, well, you can come back over here and check your live website. You can see the admin bar up here, and that lets you know you're signed into your site. Okay, that looks like things survived. Then we want to go return to the WordPress updates page. And now we want to look at plugins. Now again, you can do them all at once if you want. I would probably do them just 1 or 2 at a time. Like these two are both BuddyPress. Okay, so we'll do both of these at once. And I don't think I even have BuddyPress enabled on this site yet, so that's really safe. I'm just updating plugins that I've downloaded because I intend to use them. Okay, plugins have been completed and they were done successfully. Okay, back to the WordPress updates page. And Google Analytics and Yoast SEO. Well, we could probably do those two at the same time. Are they going to work? Yes. They've updated successfully. Okay, so now we are all updated. And we'll come over and check the site again. Make sure it's still up and running. And it is. Alrighty then. Looks good. And that is the simple way of doing that. Now these things you can get rid of. Yeah, I'll allow it to do that. And sometimes you get little messages here. And we haven't done this yet, so we don't have to worry about that on this site. On your site, it will already be done. And that's really all there is to it. And there's various things that can go wrong and things that can happen. Sometimes plugins disappear, and that causes an issue which crashes the site. Sometimes when you update things, there's a conflict between a plugin and a plugin, or a plugin and a theme, which crashes the site. You know, that doesn't always happen. It doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen. However, this is the simplest way to explain how to do it. Now you see how to do it. Once you're done, you can go anywhere you want and work on other stuff. I hope that's been helpful, and now you know how to basically update your website. Talk to you again, hopefully tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.